Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Pharma by Seji. So today I will discuss with you dissolution calculation. So you already know about how to do dissolution calculation by HPLC and UV. It's simple. But today I will discuss with you dissolution by titration method. There is one monogram, Ferrous Fumarate tablet, dissolution by titration. So now I will teach you step by step how to calculate dissolution by titration method. Now quickly start. I open the Ferrous Fumarate tablet BP monogram. Let's see the dissolution procedure. Test condition: use apparatus 2 rotating the paddle at 75 dissolution per minute. Use 900 ml of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid at temperature of 37 hours Celsius. After 45 minutes, withdraw a sample of 100 ml of the medium and filter. Titrate the filter rate with 0.01 molar ammonium sodium sulfate versus using ferritin solution as an indicator. Calculate the total content of ferrous in the medium, taking each ml of 0.01 molar ammonium sodium sulfate versus to the equivalent to 0.5585 mg of ferrous. Now open the Excel sheet. So suppose our ferrous sulfate tablet label claiming 75 mg. Dissolution medium volume is 900 ml. It's already mentioned in the monogram. Now suppose our burette reading is 12.5 ml. Okay. Now step 2, calculate the ferrous in 100 ml of sample because we have to filter 100 ml of the sample. So calculate 100 ml ferrous. Okay. Now volume into 0.5585. It's our ferrous factor. So volume is 12.5 into 0.5585. So 6.98125 mg ferrous we receive in 100 ml of sample. Now step 3. So step 3 we have to convert this mg amount into 900 ml. Okay, so convert into 900 ml. So for 900 ml we have to 6.98125 900 upon 100. So it's 62.83 mg we receive in 900 ml. Now we have to convert into percentage. So we have to divide it by into level field. Calculate into percentage. So 62.83, our labor claim is 75 into 100. So 83.78% our dissolution. Or if you want to calculate direct using the general formula, we have that also. So for general formula, volume into factor 900 upon 100. So volume we have 12.5, 0.5585, 900, 100. So we receive this amount 62.83 into mg in 900 ml. Now we have to again convert into
Percentage 63 upon 75 into 100, 83.75. Our dissolution value. Now you understand properly.
Now you know about how to calculate dissolution by titration method. I hope this video useful for you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.